Hello students, let us continue our chapter modal auxiliaries or the modals. And in the previous class we have already discussed the individual use of shall and will, and today we shall continue the other uses, and let us now know what is the change of the mood that they give while used in different contexts, as they are so called as modals. So today we shall continue. First of all, uses of can. You know that can as a modal, it has no restriction of being used with persons or number or something like that. It has only its past tense form, and unlike the shall and will, when used differently in different persons, express different moods, can expresses its different moods used with all the persons. So first of all, let us now know can is used to express, can is used to express number one, its important expression is ability. So can expresses, when someone says, it expresses how far the person or the thing is able to do something. For example, we may say, I can speak French fluently. Or you can say, Rajiv can defeat others. Or you must say, I can lift this box. I can beat you in the eloquence of English. Whatever that may be, it expresses ability. Then, number two, what does it express? It expresses permission. In case of permission, we can use the modal can. For example, how it is? Can I use your mobile for a few minutes? Question. See, generally we take the permission by using can. Next, another example may be, it is, what it is? We can give permission as well as we can also take permission. This is to take permission. Here taking of permission. But when someone says, if the replies come, yes, you can take my notes, then it is giving permission to the speaker. See. So in case of permission, both to give and to take, we can use the modal can. And next one, number 3. It is possibility. In case of possibility, we may use can. Or, for example, okay, we may say mangoes can be available in the market. When we speak this sentence, here can expresses possibility. There is possibility of the availability of the mangoes in the market. In another way, we can say another sentence. The boss can be present in the office. So, first of all, let us now remember what are the different expression of the modal can. It is ability, permission, possibility. Besides, some other expression or some other things which the modal can expresses. Let us now know the others. Even in case of prohibition, suppose, next it is prohibition. Prohibition or what we say restriction. For example, how can it be used in case of prohibition or the restriction? It can be used that we may write here vehicles can't be parked here. See, vehicles can't be parked here. In that case, it expresses prohibition or the restriction. Or we may write here the migrants, another example, the migrants, stranded migrants can't be cannot be allowed. The stranded migrants cannot be allowed to enter where? Maybe in the office or in the mall, or the persons with quarantine will say to enter in the allowed to enter in their state, cannot be allowed to enter in their respective state. See, so here cannot, that expresses prohibition or restriction, but when used with negativity, used with negativity or negative terms. See, and we know that these are all the uses of can. But another thing we should know, that actually nowadays instead of can, or can, must not is used. So can or can't has been replaced by must not. Anyway, now we shall know about the uses of may. Now let us know, may is used to express what does it express? Number one, exactly, if ability is the most important use of can as a modal, the use of may, the important use of may is possibility. First of all, let us now know about possibility. Someone may say, what do? Then, what does someone say? It may rain after 2 hours. It may rain after 2 hours. What does may here express? Here it expresses possibility. Or we may write another one. My father may arrive tonight. So it expresses possibility. Then, like can, it also expresses permission. See, how can you use the modal as the permission? Because we know that, very simple. For example, we may say, may I take a photograph? So you are just want to take permission from someone, and he may give also. So permission, that means both to give and to take. These are the two aspects may can be used in case of permission. See, may I take a photograph? The reply may be yes, you may. So here someone gives the permission. Here someone wants to take the permission to take a photograph. Here the answer is you may. So after that, after these two usages, let us now know the other. Next, number 3, after the possibility and the permission, now its another important use is wish. See, always it expresses wish, and we generally use on the occasion of greeting someone, or when we wish someone for a good journey. We may write, may you have a happy journey. Or next, another example, we may cite that may God bless you. See, another one, number 4. What is it? Then it also expresses fear. How? We may write the example as he may be dismissed from his job. Or we may write more lives may be taken by Corona. See, so in that case, it expresses fear. Any sort of fearful incident is going to occur, we can use may. Or we may write he may face an accident, like that. Number 5, another, what it is? It is about hope. We can use the modal may to express hope. How it is? We may write the example as suppose Rashmi may pass this time. See, here may expresses hope. He may, suppose someone says, you may given a promotion. So when someone says to another person, you may be given a promotion, at that time it expresses hope. The person becomes hopeful of his promotion. So these are certain uses. We shall go phase by phase. In the earlier episode, I have discussed about the uses of silent will, and these are the uses of can and may. Make a note all of these things, and I think it will be highly helpful while you use them in your writing pattern. So this is for all today. Thank you all.